What's up everyone? Bonjour tout le monde and sac passé. Thank you so much for clicking to my video today. This is Miss Dinadee. So welcome back. Today I'm just going to upload a quick video to show you how I reset my hair. So I usually do this when I feel like my hair is dry and it needs to be moisturized. And because I also live in Canada, which has winter season, it usually leaves my hair really dry after just a couple days. So if you are interested to see what I do when I want to reset my hair, please continue watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. It is really appreciated, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Alright, so as you can see, my hair looks very dry, and I'm just gonna be using my water bottle to spray my hair, and I'm gonna be using my oil applicator to apply oil in my scalp so that I can massage it. So now I'm just gonna be using my scalp massager to massage my hair. This I find on Amazon and it is really nice, you guys. Every time I massage my hair, I usually do it with this because it vibrates and it feels so nice on my scalp. If you don't have a scalp massager, of course, you can always use your fingertips to massage your hair, and that does the job as well. So to detangle my hair, I just use a detangler. I sometimes use my fingers, but my hair is already moisturized, so I'm just using the detangler for easier and faster process. And now I'm just gonna be using my comb to finish the detangling my hair. So next I'm just gonna apply oil throughout my hair. For oil, I usually use castor oil, olive oil, and avocado oil, and I just apply that throughout my hair. And next I'm just using my Kintu shea butter cream to apply throughout my hair. So as you can see, I use the lock method, the liquid, oil, and cream to moisturize my hair. So once I'm done moisturizing my hair, I just put it into a protective style method before I go to bed. I just twist it and twist all of the sections of my hair and prep my hair to go to bed. So as you can see, I am done. Now I'm just going to pin them up so that I can stretch them out for the next style in the morning. Okay, so it is the next day and I'm just about to undo my twist, and before I even touch my hair, I'm just going to apply oil in my hand so I can undo my twist out and keep my hair looking fresh. So as you can see, guys, my hair is looking so shiny and it is so moisturized. So I'm just gonna do the same thing for each strands. I'm just going to apply oil before I even open them up. So this is a very easy way to reset your hair after washing your hair for a couple days or even a week after washing your hair. It's very easy, effective, and very simple. I do this as often as I can so that I can keep my hair fresh. And even if you want to do it every day, it doesn't take too long to do this at night and to have your hair looking shiny and ready for the day in the morning. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.